Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when published new video. Step-by-step instructions to kill diabetes forever in just 8 days. Not joking, it's true. Diabetes is the common issue everywhere throughout the world. It is the common among everybody regardless of their age. The vast majority of the general population keeping away from garbage foods. You can reduce diabetes by doing this remedy. Here is a simple home solution for diabetes. For this we require hibiscus leaves and water. Take a blender jam. Place hibiscus leaves in it. Pour some water. Make fine glue out of it. Now take a bowl of water. Mark the space in it. Place this bowl aside for overnight. Next day morning, take this water on empty stomach. It is not bitter. You can follow it. It's comfortable. Try not to eat or drink anything for 2 hours. Repeat this for evening with same technique. Do this for 8 days and you can say bye-bye to your diabetes until the end of time. Remember, do not mix single time. Otherwise medicine will not work. Regardless of whether you restart from beginning, do for 8 days only. If you missed, then stop for 2 months. Take again full course after 60 days. Are you visiting our channel for the first time? Then click subscribe and click the bell icon to watch more videos.